Hi, I'm Bradley Walther, the National Sales Manager at LaserLinc. And in 2026, process measurement is no longer about incremental improvements, but about control, intelligence, and adaptability across the entire process. So today we're going to be talking about 3 key innovations we're showcasing. So let's check out the first one. The first innovation we're going to highlight is the all-new generation of FlawSense. This is our flagship defect detection system. It's lighter, faster, and more powerful than ever, and allows our customers to fully digitize their flaws for the unmatched accuracy of their products. Our second innovation we're highlighting is the all-new bump and taper software solution. This is critical for automating the process of measuring complex profiles without all of the complexity of the past. Our third innovation is the Autopilot Positioning System. Utilizing ultrasonics, what used to take up to an hour of skilled operator to center a part now can be done in less than a minute. This allows for fewer errors, faster startup times, and ultimate precision of your measurement process. So, these are just 3 examples of LaserLinc's entire suite of solutions that are helping customers. So if you care about building smarter, more resilient manufacturing processes, contact us at laserlinc.com or reach out to schedule a demo so you can experience how everything comes together.